الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد وعجل فرجهم. My name is Zainab from Islamic Center of Nepal. Today is the 1st of Zilqad and the birthday of Lady Hazrat Masumae Qom. So I want to state a very short biography of Lady Fatima Masumae Qom. Hazrat Masumae Qom is the daughter of 7th Shiite Imam, Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam, and the sister of 8th Imam, Imam Riza alayhi salam, and her mother name is Najmi Khatun. She was a noble lady who dedicated her life for Islam and Allah, and she was highly gifted, and due to her training of her father and brother, she has achieved a high reputation in history for her knowledge and piety. When she was only 6 years old, her father was arrested by Harun, the 7th Abbasid Khalifa, and thereafter she was brought up under the care of her brother Imam Riza alayhi salam for 21 years. In the year 200 Hijri Qamari, Ma'mun, the 7th Abbasid Khalifa, forced Imam Riza alayhi salam to move from Medina to Khorasan in Iran. And so Hazrat Ma'sumae Qom was once more separated from her guardian Imam Riza alayhi salam. In the year 201 Hijri Qamari, Hazrat Fatima Ma'sumae Qom decided to leave Medina and to move to Iran, to be at the side of her brother, intending to help him in his mission to preach Islam. But calamity struck, and regrettably, she never reached him. The caravan that she was traveling with was ambushed at Save, and there she had to witness the brutal killing of her family members. Hazrat Masumae Qom was taken ill at Save, and from here the Shia of nearby Qom brought her to their city. And then there she had spent the last few days of her life. And at last she was passed away in 10th Rabi' Sani in the year 201 Hijri Qamari. Lady Fatima Ma'sumae Qom is buried in Qom, Iran, and due to her blessed presence and patronage, the city has grown into a Shia learning center. There are a lot of predictions about Hazrat Ma'sumae Qom, and Imam alayhi salam foretold the birth of this noble lady and her presence in Qom. For instance, Qazi Nurullah Shushtari reports from Imam Ja'far Sadiq alayhi salam, تقبض في همرة من ولدي اسمها فاطمة بنت موسى وتدخلها بشفاعتها شيعة الجنة بجعمهم, which means a lady from my children whose name will be Fatima, the daughter of Musa, will die in Qom, and on the day of judgment this lady will intercede all of my Shia to enter heaven. Similarly, Allama Majlisi narrates from Imam Sadiq alayhi salam, وستدفن في همرة من أولادي تسمي فاطمة فمن زارها وجبت له الجنة, which means a lady from my children by the name of Fatima will die in Qom. Whoever visits her shrine will certainly be admitted to heaven. The writer of this tradition says that Imam Sadiq alayhi salam gave these glad tidings even before the birth of his son Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam, the father of Lady Fatima Ma'sumae Qom. So since Imam Kazim alayhi salam was born in 128 Hijri Qamari and Hazrat Ma'sumae Qom in 173 Hijri Qamari, this speech was made at least 45 years before her birth. So therefore, the good news of her birth was foretold about 45 years before she was born. So this was a very short biography of Lady Fatima Ma'sumae Qom. I wish you a very happy birthday of Hazrat Fatima Fi Aman Allah.